What up with y'all, man? I ain't been on live in a little minute. Let's speak on life. Let's speak on stocks and life, man. That's gonna be the topic, stocks and life. Let's just talk about what's going on. Let's talk about stocks and life, y'all. Chipotle gave me some stale ass chips. Give me a topic to speak on, y'all. Give me a topic to speak on. I'm about to type it in right now. Give me a topic to speak on, y'all. You said I'm muted? You can't hear me, bro? Pulled the motherfuckers out the back pocket. Can y'all hear me? He said I'm muted. I shouldn't be muted. Can y'all hear me?
When we try to take personal finance, and I love to do it in the early days when I first started doing this, and just do math, it doesn't work. Because personal finance involves all the personal stuff, like relationships, your spiritual walk.
All right, bet.
How you take care of your body, your career, and how diligent, excellent you are at your work ethic. All of these things end up weaving back into
Trading platforms for beginners.
and so you can't take the finance and just set it over here on the table by itself.
You need to use Webull or Robinhood. But if you plan on day trading, just use Webull. Don't use Robinhood. Use Robinhood for swinging, long-term investing, leaps, stuff like that. And then if you're going to day trade, you can use Webull. All right. So them the two beginner platforms.
Selling stuff, starting side hustles, canceling subscriptions, giving up eating at restaurants, even turning off the air conditioner in the summer and sweating through it. But most of them don't know they're overpaying for their phone.
All right.
With Boost Mobile, you get unlimited talk, text, and data for just $25 a month. That's it. And that $25 never goes up. No contracts, no junk fees, and no tricks. So do the math. It's not that hard. And go to boostmobile.com.
Yeah, you can do that.
Restrictions apply. See Boost.
That's what I do. I just chart on
For details.
I just chart on TradingView, but I just use my broker to trade. You can connect both though.
Thanks for hanging out with us, America. Bridget is in Toledo, Ohio.
You can use both of them, bro.
Hi, how can we help you?
I'm calling because I have an issue that's going on with my car situation about the vehicle I purchased, and it is still not cleared.
All right. So he said, what's the best strategy you could use for low capital? Damn. So if you got a small account, right? There's certain ways how you're going to have to build that small account. Now, what I will say is, you can use any strategy, right? But it just depends on the capital. So if you're saying, all right, low capital. In my head, when I think low capital, I'm thinking a $2,000 account. I'm not really thinking like $500, $1,000. I mean, I would say, okay, yeah, probably 1K. Fuck it, we're gonna say 1K. 1K, small account. Now, you got to remember, right, when it comes to your contracts, the further you buy your contracts out, the more expensive they are when it comes to options, right? So, you know, I would say, honestly, day trade, but that's if you know what you're doing, though. If you got $1,000 account and you don't know what you're doing, I would not tell you to day trade. You feel me? If you somebody where it's like you just restarting your account with 1,000, but you know how to day trade because you didn't build that account up before from day trading, then that's cool. What I would say, bro, is you need to learn swing trading, because especially as a beginner, because you don't know really what you're doing yet, and you only got $1,000 to work with. You need to buy time on your contracts. You need to give your trades a little bit more time and room to work out for you. When you day trade, you obviously got to have tight ass stop losses. Do that make sense? So that's what I would say, bro. Is if you got that small, let's just say if you got 1K, right? You trying to build that 1K, learn swing trading, bro. You just gonna have to build. You just gonna have to go one contract at a time until you start to get to a certain point where you can up your contracts. That's the only thing, right? But I just don't want to risk you blowing your account from day trading, bro. So did that help? Drea, what's up? Did that help, bro? Let me know. Yeah. All right, bet. He said, how much money do you need to start trading? You need 500 to 2,500. Now, if you only got the 500, right? If you in a situation right now where it's like, all right, cool, you got the 500 to risk to put on the line to start live trading with, don't trade with that though. What I want you to do is build on that. That's what I always tell people. Build on that 500. The 500 don't give you a lot of room. That shit gives you little to no leg room. You feel me? So what you want to do is, if you got the 500, right? And it's for everybody, right? If you got the 500, you ready to risk and put on the line, what you got to do though is you got to say, all right, cool. Put yourself on a savings plan for about 1 to 2 months to build on that 500. What I mean by that is this. You got the 500, right? But if you save $100 a week for a full month, now you got how much, y'all? Everybody good at math in here? Everybody good at math? You got $900, correct? So now you got a band. So now you just went from 500 to play with to 1,000 to basically, or it's funny, we just gonna say 900 to play with, right? And within one full month. Now, if you really want to power up, what you would do is just do that one more time. You feel me? So then just thug it out for 2 months. Just put up for 2 months straight. If you got the $500 already right now, just put up $100 a week for 2 months straight, and then that's gonna be your trading capital. I don't want y'all just throwing the 500 in a trade trying to do shit with the 500. That's not enough. All right, so that's free game, y'all. That's what I tell everybody.
You know, that there are 3 notches above a loan shark, and 2 notches above the coconut guy down in the bad end of town.
My boy Brandon, what's up, bro? So look,
It's not a clean business.
remember that's what investing. No, that's what trading, not investing. You can start investing long term with any amount. You can start with $1 if you want. That don't matter. You feel me? But specifically for trading, that's what you want. That's what you want to do. Exactly what I told y'all. But investing, you can start with fucking 50 cents. You feel me? Now, is you gonna have to build on that? Of course. You're gonna have to keep adding to your brokerage account and stuff like that, but you know, you can start with any amount long term, bro.
And say, I'm going to devote one more month to this, getting to the bottom of this, and if you guys can get me a number that we can agree on, I'm going to get it paid off. But guys, I got to get that, and I'm going to have to, apparently, I'm going to talk to somebody's boss so that if I'm somebody has two brains that can rub together. So,
Do that make sense, y'all?
let's just keep pushing and fighting for a month. If you can't do that, then you say, at the end of a month, if I can't get you guys to get to the bottom of this, and together we figure out what is really owed and why, and come to agreement on that, so I can get this paid, then I'm going to hire a lawyer on my suit. Okay?
Understood.
And if that doesn't work,
Current state of the market.
which is not a good option.
Shit. The market flying right now, boy. The market going through the roof right now, like shit.
Good luck with that. I'm going to countersue you.
Here's what I'll say though, July price action is fucking horrible. Like,
Do that, people. And
bruh,
I can do that, but I don't want
stocks is just moving weird as fuck this month. I don't know what it is,
and
but it's like
control
they are open strong as hell.
negotiate on based on their
And it just been rejecting, bro, within the first fucking 30 minutes. And then it'll go down far as hell, and then it'll pop, and then go crazy all day, or it may chop all day. We've been getting a lot of choppy, fake out, weird ass price action lately, dog. That's what I would say about the market right now. Even though, yeah, the market going crazy, going through the roof, but certain individual stocks right now that I would normally be looking at, them bitches just moving weird as hell right now.
like this, and I've done stuff as dumb.
Rav Tex, what up? What up with y'all, man? I be appreciate y'all tapping in with me.
Have you learned your lesson? Are you ever going to
Do that make sense though, bro?
know, Dave?
That's how I feel about like how we in the market right now. Mr. Gotta go get it. What up, bro? My nigga say he gotta go get it. Nah. Hey, I love that mindset. Like, nigga, I gotta get to it. I ain't got no option, bro. Like I don't got ain't no option, ain't no choice. Like, nigga, I gotta go get it. Like, you feel me? That's that mindset you gotta have, gang. Cause let me tell you all this, bro. If you don't hustle like your back against the wall, you ain't really gonna get to it for real. You feel me? Like, even if you is in a comfortable situation, you still gotta like rewire your brain to where you thinking like you not for real. Cause nobody hustle more or nobody hustle harder than a nigga who back against the wall. Than a nigga who gotta hustle. You feel me? Like, y'all notice when niggas have, do y'all notice before a motherfucker have a kid, they be lazy, they don't want to work, nigga don't want to grind, nigga don't want to hustle, he don't want to do shit. After that, nigga figure out he got a baby gang, most niggas go hard as hell, I swear to God, bro. Them niggas hustle go 1,000%, bro. So you gotta hustle like a nigga got a baby on the way, swear to God, gang. That's how I be hustling, bro. I be hustling like, nigga, I got 2 kids on the way. I gotta get to it. Hell no. You feel me? Shit. You also, bro, you gotta hustle like a motherfucking crackhead, gang. Cause notice how crackheads, junkies, and shit like that, bro. Why do they always figure out how to get money, bro? Think about it. This nigga, this fucking crackhead don't got no job, gang. The nigga, he'll literally wake up with no money, figure out a way to go get some money to go get his fix. He's gonna figure this shit out, bro. You feel me? Somehow, some way, crackheads just know how to get money, gang. Swear to God, bro. So that's how you gotta be. You gotta figure this shit out, bruh. I don't give a fuck what you gotta do, my nigga. You feel me? You gotta go figure that shit out, cause the crackhead gonna do it, you know? So that's how I always looked at that shit, bro. Cause I always wondered, like, growing up, you know, in a rough area, me seeing crackheads and shit, me seeing junkies and shit. Like, bro, how's this nigga getting money, gang? like, how's he getting the money to buy it? You feel what I'm saying? And that shit was fucking with my head, bro, but he got them breaking your house, breaking your car. He'll sell whatever he gotta sell. He goddamn, you feel me? Do a whole bunch of shit to go get some money, gang. So it's like, I gotta apply that shit just legally, you know? I'm not saying go do anything to get no money. You obviously want to be, you feel me? You obviously want to be getting legal bread, but nigga, go work a job, go cut grass, go barber, nigga, go whatever you gotta do, my nigga. Start an online business, anything, nigga, hustle. Just hustle, gang. You feel me? Just get to it and have a long-term mindset with the shit. You feel me? So that's how I be feeling, bro. What up with everybody tapping in, man? He said he trying to make it for the night. Put me on some game. My boy HBK Rico. He said put him on some game. Shit, man. What I say, bro? One thing I'm learning, y'all, is you can't like, you can give motherfuckers they credit, right? And you can let people inspire you. But at the end of the day, bro, you really can't look up to no man on earth, bro. Unless you know him, unless you actually shook his hand before, hung out with him. You feel me? Never seen him do no real shit in person, gang. Don't know the potential flaws he may got, because everybody not perfect. Then you really can't look up to that nigga, bro. I swear to God, y'all, like, that's some shit that I learned, bro. I really learned that, gang. Like, it took me a little while to figure this shit out. But over the past fucking few weeks, bro, I just been peeping and seeing a lot of fool shit from motherfuckers that I would never thought I would have seen that shit from, gang. And it fucked my head up, bro. And you know what really fucked my head up? The shit that fucked my head up the most be when a motherfucker do some foul shit that you would never in your heart for a fact, bro, you know you wouldn't do, gang. You feel me? Or like, in your heart, bro, you know that shit dead wrong, bro. That's the shit that be hurting me the most. Cause I get, alright, a nigga might do some fraud shit, but it's like, I knew that nigga had that in him. You feel me? Like I knew he was been worthy of doing some weird shit like that. You feel me? But a motherfucker who you like, man, not a thought in your body, like could ever picture bro doing some, you feel me? Some foul shit. Like, you know for a fact you would damn near lay your life on the line, like, bro solid as a bitch, gang. And then when he pulls some fraud shit, you like hella cut off guard. You like, what the like, bro, nigga, that shit make me angry, gang. So I stopped having certain expectations from niggas, bro. I can't do it. You feel me? Cause I'm gonna be let down every time, bro. It's like I gotta really know you, bro. I gotta really know you, gang. You know, and even then, if I really know you, bro, I'm still not having no crazy expectations on you. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, bro, a nigga could. This is what I've been figuring out, y'all. A motherfucker could be real. A nigga could really be real, gang. He could be a real nigga, folk. But guess what? At times, he still got some fraud in him, bro. Like everybody, gang. Every nigga on this live, bro, is probably a real nigga, but guess what? Y'all niggas that did some fraud shit before in your life, gang. That don't make you not a real nigga no more. It just make you human. But I just feel like this shit, it depends on what the situation is, bro. You feel me? Like, niggas be doing some fraud shit to some shit. It's like, damn, bro, you supposed to been 10 toes in that situation, gang. Like, what the? Come on, bro. That type of shit be blowing my mind, bro. Only if you knew. What up, bro? You in the group? How's everything going for you in the group, bro? We got another member just tapped in with me. STR World Finest. I appreciate you for tapping in with me, bro. Real shit. I'll just text you in the group, dog. Anybody who in my group, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. The Tech Media, what up, bro? Real one. You feel me? We just talking about life and stocks, man. I just had some shit on my mind, bro. You know? I had an opportunity right?
How did you start with no money?
Bro, I had the opportunity to talk to my mentor, bro. Like yesterday on IG Live. I don't know if y'all seen it. A person who, you know, got me started in this stock shit, and a person who inspired me, right, to take a better way and a different route in life from the situation and the environment, from what in the community that I grew up in and that he grew up in, right? But mind you, I talked to him before, but when I talked to him before, I was still in the trenches. I was still figuring this stock shit out. I didn't have it all the way. But at the time, I was telling him, hey, bro, I got this shit going on. You know, you inspired me to do this shit. I'm studying you. I'm studying everything, right? Your whole campaign, your brand, all this shit, bro. And I really admire you, right? I'm telling him that while I'm in the trenches, gang. Like 2 years ago, right? Time fly where now I'm in this situation now and I got the ball rolling. I actually got the stock shit working for me. I got a lot of shit going on. And I get the opportunity to give him a testimonial and tell him, right, on IG Live, how the shit that I learned from you actually worked for me, bro. The shit I learned from you paved the way for me. And now I'm paving the way for other people. And y'all know what bro did? Mind you, this is the nigga who, bro, I got multiple DMs of me DMing, showing my progress, everything. He's still on my page to this day. And if you can go on my page and scroll down and see that man, you'll know who I'm talking about, right? He cut me off the live, bro. The nigga literally, as I was saying, you know, how I felt and the impact he had on me and the impact now that I got on my community, the nigga literally cut me off live, bro. And he said he cut me off live because I was trying to promote my business or promote my community. I said, bro, what the fuck? How? How the fuck? How was I trying to promote my community? Because I said, now I teach my people what I learned from you. Nigga, I'm giving you credit, dumbass. I would never even be on your live telling niggas that, hey, I learned from you if I was on some promoting shit. Think about it. If I'm on this motherfucker, nigga, giving you your flowers, telling you that, hey, the situation I'm in, bro, my nigga, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't damn near be in this shit. Because you showed me the way. You showed me the route. You showed me I didn't have to go sell drugs. You showed me I didn't have to go trap. You showed me, nigga, I just gotta have two streams of income, live off one, and invest the other. You showed me certain things, my nigga. But now that I'm in a situation where, okay, I do the same thing that you do, which is teach this shit and show other young niggas the way. Now, the moment I go and say community, you feel threatened. And instantly, automatically. That's some fuck shit, gang. That shit really hurt my heart, bro. I'm like, damn, that shit went 100, gang. Cause now you too big-headed, bro. You too hot horse to see the message that I'm trying to deliver, gang. You not grasping what I'm saying, my nigga. I could see if I had intentions on talking to you, trying to promote my shit, but I wasn't, bro. I was really giving the young niggas a real message, gang. To pay attention to me, pay attention to you. Look at this shit we doing as a whole, as a black community, my nigga. But a nigga got too much ego, gang, too much pride to see the message that's in front of him, bro. You feel me? And that's one of the reasons why I was like, damn, bro. No matter how real a nigga may seem, no matter how certain things, a nigga could still pull some shit you ain't never thought he could, bro. And it'll fuck your head up. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's like, damn, bro. And this is what I mean by mentors, bro. Ain't your whole point of being a mentor is to groom this person into something wonderful, into someone successful? You gotta know that when he get really successful, nigga, he's gonna branch off and do his own thing and start teaching his people. But you telling me that now you feel threatened? Do that fucking make sense, y'all? Ain't that the whole point of me teaching y'all? So that y'all can teach y'all people, right? And be bigger than me one day with this shit. And you feel me? Ain't that the whole point of you being a fucking mentor to groom this person into success? Nigga, I'm a testimonial of you grooming me into success, gang. That's what I'm trying to tell you. But you're not listening. You're not getting what I'm telling you, bro. Nigga cut me off, y'all. He straight cut me off the log, gang. And said I was trying to disrespect him, bro. I'm like, damn, bro. That shit, like, that was some foul shit, gang. Cause I'm like, real supposed to recognize real, gang. You supposed to understand it, my vision. You supposed to be able to grasp the shit I'm telling you and seeing, bro. But you not. You not really understanding this shit, bro. It just fucked my head up, man. I'm like, damn, bro. That's the whole point. You think, nigga, my nigga B, Brandon, he in my group, bro. He in my group. You think I don't want him to be successful, nigga? I want him to be the best version of himself with this stock shit, gang, when he learned from me. And if this nigga end up bigger than me, or he end up in the same realm as me, teaching people or whatever the case, and I talk to him with a public eye, with a public view, I'm not finna cut that nigga off and say, oh, bro, you tryna, you feel me? Just cause now he do the same shit. Come on, that don't fucking make sense. What was the whole point of you? What is the whole point of you being a mentor if the niggas you mentoring, you don't want to see them progress? Do that make sense? Like, I knew I wasn't tripping, bro, cause niggas, as soon as that happened, bro, niggas DM me and was like, yeah, that nigga was tripping, y'all. Like, they was literally telling me, like, bro, that nigga was tripping, gang. And if you want to know who I'm talking about, just go on my page, bro, and scroll down, bro. And this shit, like, damn, bro, it made me go harder, though. You feel me? That made me know, like, you know, shit, I gotta go harder with this stock shit, you know? I gotta really make a name for myself, my community, and my people, gang. Cause one thing I learned, y'all, don't never seek no validation from no man. Don't never seek approval. Never seek happiness or never seek congratulations from another man, bro. Keep going. You feel me? Cause niggas will let you down, gang. Niggas will give you that shit for a little bit. The moment they feel threatened, you out of here, bro. Even if you weren't intentionally trying to threaten that nigga, bro. He just don't got the eye to see the message being delivered. So y'all let me know if I'm tripping or not, man. That shit just had fucked me up in the head. You feel me? He said, that's real. No, for real, bro. I'm like, you see a young black man, even if I was, think about this, y'all. Even if I was trying to promote my business, right? You just seen me. I told him, nigga, I came from the trenches. Nigga, I came from the same shit you came from. You feel me? I came from the gutter, nigga. So even if I was trying to promote my business and you see a young man, a young black man, look just like you, came from the same predicament you came from, and I'm trying to make it out legally by stocks instead of doing all the other shit, risking my life and freedom, wouldn't you still even get that nigga some spotlight? Wouldn't you still tell them people, hey, go tap in with that nigga? Especially since you already successful. The nigga is already here with the shit. The nigga already up M's with this shit, gang. That's why I say, y'all, it fucked me up when a nigga do some fraud shit that I would never do. Nigga, if I'm already up multiple millions and I see a young black man who didn't let the streets trick him, he's trying to make a better way for him and teach his community the shit, I'm going to spread light on that young nigga. That don't fucking make sense, bro. That's fraud, y'all. And it's like, this is a nigga that I've been looking up to for years, bro. Since I got into the game. But now I get to this certain point. Cause you was congratulating me, nigga, when I was still in the trenches, gang. I talked to you before, bro, on live. Nigga, when I was living with my mama, figuring this shit out. But now I got a nice ass crib downtown in my city, gang. And now I got the ball rolling. Oh, now a nigga feel, you feel me? Niggas want to cut you off soon as a nigga, come on, gang, that shit don't even make sense, bro. He didn't expect you to step it up. That shit crazy, bro. It's like, damn, ain't that the point of you being a mentor, though, bro? To see your people grow?
No, I think this is your get out of jail free card.
And the fact I'm on this bitch, I'm giving you your flowers, gang. I'm literally telling this nigga shit that I learned from him.
Life, if you can get completely clear,
How are you that fucking egotistic, my nigga? To not see what I'm telling you.
save up some money and get a decent car, and get out of the vehicle debt business forever. This is your chance to be free of a 20.
But, you know, that's just how I felt about the situation, bro. I just had to get that shit off my chest, man, because it's like, damn, bro. You feel me? That's like, for example, right? Ooh, this is a good ass example. Let's just say I got a Rolls Royce, right? I pull up to the young niggas in the hood. I give them the game on how I got the Rolls Royce. A few years later, listen to me, y'all. Listen. A few years later, they actually applied the game I gave them. Now they got a Rolls Royce. Right? Now they got a Rolls Royce. But now, I pull up to the hood. The young niggas pull up to the hood with that Rolls Royce. We both in our Rolls Royce. And you trying to tell him, hey, bro, I did it. I applied the information that you gave me, my nigga. You showed me the way, bro. I got the Rolls Royce now, bro. I got it. But now, this nigga just roll his window up and keep riding, gang. Don't even congratulate you on the shit. Don't even acknowledge you for the shit. Nothing, bro. When it's like, nigga, I thought this is what you wanted. I thought you wanted to niggas to take your mentorship, learn from you, become successful, and start their own community and teach they people. Ain't that what you want, bro? That shit don't make sense, gang. That's some fraud shit, bro. You pulled up to the young niggas in the hood, gave them the game on how you got the Rolls Royce. A few years later, they take the information they apply the information you gave them and they apply the shit. Now they pull up to the hood in the Rolls Royce too, and they see you, and they give you your flowers publicly. And then you just keep on. You don't even. That's fraud, gang. That ain't 1,000, bro. He said y'all should be able to make money together, make investments, bro. All type of shit. Y'all, I had plans on doing a lot of shit with bro, like really collaborating with that nigga, gang. Like really, like doing shit when I got to a certain point, a level in my life, bro. That's how much impact that nigga had on me, bro. You know, but it's just like, damn, man. You know, shit, you can't dwell on it, bro. You feel me? Niggas feel how they feel, gang. You know, that's one thing I learned, bro. You can't, you know, however I feel, bro, shit, that shit don't matter. You know, it only matter to me. It don't matter to bro, obviously. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like, I can't cry punk. Only thing I can do, bro, is go hard. You know, turn my city up. Turn up the people who goddamn believing and trusting in me. Turn my community up. Turn my brand up. You feel me? Niggas who tapping in with me and learning from me. But one thing I'm never gonna do, y'all, people that I'm teaching in my community, when they get bigger than me, or if they get to the certain level I'm at, or whatever the case, I'm never gonna shun them, bro. I'm never gonna say, oh, nigga, now you trying to teach this shit. Nigga, you learn from me, now you trying to teach this shit. I'm never gonna say that, bro. That's fucked up, gang. You feel me? Nigga, that's the whole point of me teaching you, so you can teach your family and your community, your loved ones, the people you around every single fucking day. That's the whole point of me teaching you. But you mean to tell me, gang, that you not understanding and seeing it like that, but you looking at it as a nigga is, come on, bro. A nigga is incompetent. Like, this shit don't make sense, bro. I'ma never do my niggas like that in my community, bro. Real shit, bro. XRP. He said, y'all from the same city? Nah, that nigga from Atlanta, bro.
Let that thing grow in value and be part of your investment portfolio. The fact that you own a great home. That's what I would stay right where you are on there.
This how real I am, though, y'all. Watch this.
Is basically
This how I know that nigga was tripping. Cause look, my brand is growing, right? I have my own brand now. I got my own shit going on with the stock shit, right? Tell me why, y'all, that nigga is still on my page. My mentor that I learned from is still on my page. You can go down, scroll down, and see him. You can go on my highlights and see him. Name another fucking person who figured this shit out and got their own brand now, that got their mentor that they learned from still on their fucking page. Once they got this shit figured out. Do that make sense? Think about it. So how the fuck am I coming on your platform disrespecting you, my nigga? Trying to promote my shit, gang, with nigga. My brand is going, nigga. I'm doing good for myself. You still on my page, dumbass. I fuck with you, nigga. That's how hard I fuck with you, gang. That I didn't take none of that shit off, bro. That shit gonna stay on my page, gang. That's how much mad love I have for you, my nigga. Think about it. Niggas don't leave they fucking mentor they on they fucking page who they learn from, bro. When they brand growing. That don't even fucking make sense. Because all the motherfucker gonna do is say, oh, you learn from him. Why the fuck should I learn from you? I'm gonna just go to the nigga you learn from. You feel me? But I'm such a thorough nigga, gang. I don't give a fuck about that shit. Niggas gonna tap in with me regardless, bro. But I wanted niggas to know, hey, this is who I learned from, gang. I never shunned who I learned from, gang. I tell niggas in my community all the time. When niggas say, you know, when people ask me, bro, who else can I tap in with? I give them your name, my nigga. It's like, bro, you can never be too much of a real nigga, bro, for these niggas, gang. They not gonna see it, bro. You can do everything to prove to a motherfucker, gang, that you fuck with them. You can do a lot of things, bro, but a nigga is just gonna be too big-headed, man. Nigga gonna have too much ego. He not gonna really see the full picture in his face, bro, once he get to a certain level, gang. He gonna look right past the shit, bro. Shit fucked me up, y'all. Shit fucked me up, bro. But I was just like, man, I just gotta keep going, bro. It is what it is, you feel me? I know my intentions pure, man. Let me tell you all this, bro. As long as you move with pure intentions in life, you're gonna be good. As long as you move with strategic, pure intentions, gang, even if you may do some shit in the wrong, but you had right intentions, just acknowledge, just don't shun away from it. Acknowledge, nigga, that you was wrong. You feel me? And try to fix the situation and then move on. Right? But don't be one of them type of niggas where if you know you did wrong, bro, you trying to stand on your wrongdoing. Like, you know you did wrong, bro. You got to step up to the plate and say, I did wrong. You feel me? But that's one thing I learned is move with pure intentions, bro. And if a motherfucker do you wrong, a motherfucker do you dirty, disrespect you, then you know you ain't initiate the shit first. So if you got to retaliate, if you got to get some revenge back, if you got to goddamn whatever you got to do on your end, my nigga, you got full validation, bro, to do it. Because you had pure intentions, bro. Do that make sense, y'all? And only you and God will know that, bro. Whatever everybody typing in, man. We just talking real life, bro. You know, don't get me wrong. I love stocks. You know what I'm saying? But I don't just want to come on here and talk about that all the time. You feel me? Because what niggas don't know and realize and understand that in order to be a great trader, in order to be a good investor, bro, you got to have certain morals and principles, gang. You got to have, because think about it, bro. This is money we dealing with, man. We putting our freedom on the line, bro. We trying to buy our freedom back, buy our time back. We gotta have a good mental on our a good head on our shoulders, bro. To the best of our ability, right? And let me tell y'all too why niggas fuck up trading. Niggas fuck up trading, bro, because they forget it's money management at the end of the day. That's all this shit is. Risk management. You got to know how much cash you need to sit on the side. How much should be invested. What's your position sizes that you going in with? Should you be going in light size, heavy size, right? But nigga, if you can't manage your money on the outside of this trading shit, you damn sure not gonna be able to manage a fucking trading account, bro. Think about it. If you don't know how to keep track of the shit you spending, keep track of the shit you saving and investing, all the other shit on the outside of this shit, when you get in the market, you're gonna fuck the money up too. Do that make sense? So niggas be having poor money management thinking, oh, I'm finna come in and trade. I'm finna run it up. When nigga, you don't even know how to deal with a 5K account, gang. You don't even know how to, you don't have the mental stability for this shit. Cause you gonna come in and shit, you gonna throw the whole 5K in one trade. Lose that fucking trade, and now you blow the whole 5K. You not thinking, oh, put the 5K in here. Let me have $1,000 sitting cash on the side at all times. Boom. $2,000 for long-term investing, and then the rest trading. You're not coming in with that mindset. You coming in, boom, 5K. I'm trying to turn 5K into 50,000 in 2 weeks. Boom. You feel me? Let the DM ready to invest. Bye, bro. Right? So this is why I come on here and I talk this mental shit, man, because y'all, if y'all don't understand, if y'all don't realize that, hey, there's a lot of mental shit us traders deal with that, you know, that we gotta deal with on the outside of this shit to make us successful with this shit in the first place, gang. I gotta have my mind clear as possible, bro. Think about it. Right? I'm calling out plays. I'm giving stock picks. I don't want to fuck nobody money up. You feel me? I don't want nobody putting their hard work ass money into some bullshit. So, nigga, I'm making sure that, I gotta make sure that this motherfucker got a 99% chance of working when I call it out. Even if it take time, it's gonna work. You feel me? That's a lot of pressure. You know? Not only and I'm calling this shit out, you know, other people's money, but my money as well. I don't want to fuck my money up. So I'm making sure I'm doing the research. I'm making sure I'm doing the studying, the charting analysis, the fundamental analysis, the economic analysis. All this shit I gotta do on the front end. So on the back end, we get the full benefit out of the shit. You feel me? But a lot of motherfuckers don't really care about the shit they be calling out, gang. And pay attention to that shit, y'all. Pay attention when y'all get in communities. Pay attention to a motherfucker who got a community, but he putting $200 into a trade calling that shit out, gang. You got me fucked up, bro. I'm not finna take a signal from a motherfucker who is putting $200 in this trade, gang. But you want me to put in $2,000. Do that fucking make sense? That don't even make sense, gang. Young Queen Dolo, what up? Right? Why don't you got more confidence in your trade to put in more money, bro? You should bare minimum be putting in 4 figures, bro. Like, you telling me, hey, y'all, this motherfucker finna pop, but you put in 200? But you want me to put in $2,000? Nah, bro, y'all gotta watch out for that shit. And niggas in my community can vouch, gang. Anything I put my money into, I put in 4 figures, bro. I have never ever put shit less than $2,000 into a fucking trade since I don't know when, gang. Real shit, bro. Like, I'm not doing that, bro. This is over with, my nigga. If I don't got the confidence to put in some real money in this shit, guess what? I shouldn't be calling it out in the first place. Think about it. If I ain't got enough confidence to put some real money in this trade, then obviously this trade isn't as high probability. Obviously this trade, you feel me, is a bullshit trade, gang. It's a bullshit investment if I'm not willing to put up some real money that I'm comfortable with. No. So, I'm just putting y'all on game, bro. Watch out for that shit, man. My boy Sparking Bowls, what up, bro? That's my dog. He be tapping in with me. I see a couple of people in here be tapping in with me on the regular. What up with y'all, man? I fuck with y'all. He said motherfuckers don't be getting the simple part of this shit for real. Just a good mindset. Look, bro. So, investing and trading is literally 80% mindset, bro. 20% 20% is all the other shit y'all see us doing. Charting, right? Fundamental analysis, all the other shit. But guess what, y'all? You can do all that stuff, right? But if your mental not here, then you're going to blow the trade. You're going to blow the investment. Right? So people don't understand how their outside life affects their trading or their investing. Right? So, a nigga that's having baby mama problems right now is not going to be able to trade efficiently, gang. Think about it. You know, this nigga having altercations with his baby mama, gang. She fucking up this nigga mind state. He's not going to be able to strategically maneuver through this trade how he's supposed to be. Because he got his baby mama nagging in his fucking ear. Irritating this nigga. And he got real money on the line. He gonna be anxious in the trade. He not gonna have confidence in it. He may sell too early. He may sell too late. He may do certain things that he's not supposed to do in the trade or that he should have did in the trade, but he might not do it. Because he got shit on the outside world affecting his mind state, gang. That's why clear mind with this shit is very important, y'all. You know? And I'm not saying that, you know, because everybody, we all going through shit, right? We all go through things. So I'm not saying that, oh, you can't go through nothing and still be good at investing. That's not what I'm saying, bro. What I'm saying is, though, right? You got to try to limit your distractions as much as possible in order to be as sufficient in this shit as possible, gang. Because this shit takes a lot of focus. You know how much fucking money I missed out because I wasn't focused? You know how many times, nigga, I didn't went back to the charts and said, damn, why the fuck didn't I see this? I would have made fucking 10,000 off this shit. Mad at myself. Why? Because I had some other shit on my mind, gang. Whether it's been work, a job, a female, anything, just any other fucking distraction. I wasn't solely focused on this shit. I didn't miss out on money. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Sean, what up, bro? My nigga tapping in with me. He said 100. Yeah, my nigga feel me. My nigga Sean trade, right? So, you know, the outside of this shit, bro. This shit really, gang, is mental, bro. Real shit. Bro, season vet, the game, you only know for experience. Exactly, bro. Like, come on, gang. A nigga, you can't really trade officially, my nigga, if you got goddamn 6 bitches, bro. These bitches stressing you the fuck out, gang. You gotta think about where Keisha at. Is Keisha sucking dick right now? Is Brianna fucking a whole nother nigga? Why the fuck isn't Selena texting you back? Why the fuck when you call, nigga, she say she here, but you seen her story, and it look like she's somewhere else. You feel what I'm saying? Now you go to goddamn place of training gang, and you thinking about her somewhere else, besides the place she told you. Swear to God, gang, like, we gotta watch out for that shit, man. Real shit, bro. I be trying to tell niggas, bro, you gotta focus up, bro. You got to. Why do you think most traders got 1 female, bro? At the bare minimum, he got 2. He don't got 6, gang. 6 is too much for us, bro. You feel me? Hell no. He said, clip that bitch. I got to, okay. Hey. He said, I don't got time. I swear to God, bro. Like, hell no, man. So we just gotta focus up, man. That's all I be trying to preach, bro. Real shit though, bro. Like you know, I'm so proud of myself, man. I caught this really good investment out, bro. And I think it's gonna be really life changing for me and my group, man. I did a lot of technical analysis behind this trade. You feel me? I did a lot of fundamental analysis behind this trade. And it was just a no-brainer, man. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all, bro, a lot of this shit is just from experience, bro. And my nigga, anybody who trading here can vouch. A lot of this trading shit, y'all, the reason why, right? You know, certain things work for us is because we done already seen it play out already. You feel me? So the reason why I know what to take this break and retest, or this bounce off resistance, or this goddamn, reject off of resistance, or bounce off support, or the RSI, certain things, is why. Because I've been trading for 3 years, and for 3 years straight, I seen this shit happen over and over and over and over again. So when I come across some shit and I say, this look very familiar, I done seen this play out before 1,000 times. I damn near know exactly what this bitch finna do. You feel me? So it's like, I gotta go all the way with it when I get them type of trades, bro. In this particular trade that I got in, bro, it was like, bro, I know what this bitch, I done seen this happen with this stock and this stock and this stock. You know? So experience is very important with this shit, bro. Because a lot of this shit that we calling out is shit that we done already seen play out 1,000 times. It's nothing new. Let me tell you all this, bro. It's nothing new in the market. Anything that goes on in the market right now, it already happened before. The only difference is it just happened in a different type of way. You feel me? Or for a different type of reason. But nigga, if you go look at the chart, we done had plenty of 20% pullbacks in the market. Plenty of fucking times and seen them get bought back up. Now the reason of why the market was 20% from highs is a different reason, right? But the fact in the matter is that it happened still. Do that make sense? So certain things in the market is gonna happen over and over again, but the reason why they happen is gonna be different. That's the only difference there is. But all this shit, y'all, is just a repeated cycle. And if you can figure it out, like, bro, that's when the shit clicked for me. When I was like, oh my God, bro, I'm starting to understand the percentage from highs that investors like to buy from. It became so fucking easy for me to buy the dip because guess what? I know when these big money investors are finna buy this bitch. Think about it. It makes so much sense. The shit start clicking in more and more, bro. He said, I don't trade, but I want to start soon. For sure, bro. Tap in with me. Sparking Bowls. Right? And if you want to start trading, bro, just be patient with yourself, man. Like, niggas just come in, they just not patient, bro. Like, my nigga, you can't give yourself a year to fully just learn this shit? Like, damn, bro. Soon as you come in, you want $1 million that same fucking day, bro. When I done worked my ass off for 3 years straight, nigga, to get where I'm at, bro. But you want to come in your first day and make an M? Come on, bro. We gotta do better with that shit, man. You don't go to your fucking job and instantly when you get a new job and say, nigga, I want a raise. So why do you do that when it comes to trading, bro? If you don't go to your job, when you get a new job, they start you off at $15 an hour, but you don't instantly go in that motherfucker and say, hell no, I need 30, bro. I need $30 an hour. Hell no. But when you come into trading, as soon as you put 5K in your account, you trying to turn that bitch to 10K in 2 fucking days. It don't make sense, bro. So I just want us to have the right mindset with this shit. Not saying that you can't make money while you learn. People in my group is making money while they learn. You can do it, bro. But all I'm saying is give yourself time to master this shit. It's a difference between you going through the motions and then fully actually mastering this shit, bro. Niggas trying to come in and master all it is. Technical analysis in 6 days. And you don't even have no charting experience yet, bro. It's impossible. You feel me? He said it took a year to see consistent profits. I'm on the road to $1 million now. Damn, you finna hit $1 million in your account? Let me pin that shit. Hey, I don't know who the fuck this is, but she said, wait, is that a she or? Yeah, I think so. She said it took a year. Hold on, I gotta pin that. It won't even let me pin it. That's weird. She said it took a year to see consistent profits. I'm on a road to $1 million now. So damn, you finna hit $1 million in your account. Shit, congratulations. That's a man. Shit, that's a really good fucking like. Come on now. I want you to congratulate yourself for that shit. You feel me? You said in a year too? Hold on, am I tripping? Did I read that right, bro? Because I think I'm tripping. Hold on. I think I'm tripping. Hey, let me know, Queen Dolo. She said it took a year. She said it took me I gotta read this shit slow, y'all. Hey, you know when your teacher sit you down? You know when your mom, like, you know when you got a math question or something, and you was a kid, and your mom gotta read you that fucking question like you slow as hell? And she gotta be like, 1 apple plus 1 apple is how many apples? That's exactly how I gotta read this shit, gang, because I don't understand how the fuck She said, it took to be a year to see consistent profits. I'm on the road to $1 million now. Man. Man. Let me know. Queen Dolo. She said, yes, it took me a year to start to see gains. I was losing the first year. But is you finna hit $1 million in the account though? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Or what you just saying, like, you on the road to $1 million. Like you grinding for the $1 million? Or is you saying you about to touch the $1 million? You feel what I'm saying? Like, let me know. I gotta know that shit. Hey, we ain't just finna skip past that. Hell no. You can't come over here and say no shit like that and then skip past it. Cause that's a big milestone, you feel me? Especially in our community, you know?
That's the way you gotta look at it. Instead of, I mean, it's gotta know your mother. It's
Shit.
just sad that people.
Cause that's the whole goal. The whole goal is for us to have multiple $1 million accounts. You feel me? This is what I tell people, bro. I say, bro, you think I'm playing with 2K, 5K, 10K positions because I want to be playing with this shit forever? Hell no, bro. My goal is to scale up, bro. I want to be throwing 100,000 into every fucking trade I get into. Starter position. Not even full size. My starters is 100K. And I'm finna average in with another 100. You feel me? Like, that's how big my view of this game is, bro. Cause I understand that there's no limits in this shit. So that should be everybody's goal, man. Like, play the game big, man. Hell no, bro. You feel me? Scale. Grow with this shit. Like, really go crazy, bro. Cause what you doing this shit for? Right? You know how many fucking shares of Nvidia that BlackRock has? Multiple hundred millions of fucking shares. They not playing the game smart. There's no limit with them, man. So why is you limiting yourself, gang? Why is you, when you progressing, bro, you still buying only 1 fucking share? And you done been in the game for 2 years. Nigga, buy 10 of them bitches, bro. What are you doing? Like, you've been investing for how long, bro? You still buying, you still trying to goddamn have a portfolio in each stock. You only got 1 fucking share? Nigga, if you don't load up, nigga, come on, bro. We trying to get rich out this big boy. You tripping, gang. You feel me? Like, hell no, bro. That's why it's all about scaling up, man. That's why I scaled up, bro. Niggas past that shit, bro. I'm trying to be like BlackRock, man. I'm trying to be, you know. I want to be so, bro, I want to be so deep into a trade or investment where I get anxious. I want that motherfucker to move $1, and for each dollar move, that's either $100,000 gain or a $100,000 loss. You feel me? Like, I want to have 100,000 shares. So that means for every $1 that motherfucker move, that's $100,000. Think about that. That's how deep I want to be in the game. To where this motherfucker make a $2 move and I done made 200K already. Off a $2 move. That should be all our goal on this live when it comes to investing, bro. That's how we gonna get far in this shit, man. You know, we gotta think big. Not saying that, you know, we don't want to come in with that mindset. You want to think realistic, right, at the beginning. But what I'm saying is, as you continue to grow, as you continue to progress, as you continue to learn, you gotta scale up, bro. Because what are you doing this shit for? Does that make sense? Straight world's finest, yeah, for sure. That's just how I think about it, man. That's just how I think about it, y'all.
If you like the show, we would appreciate
My boy Dre.
subscribe.
Hey, Dre, did you join the community, bro? I swear I think you did, bro. Let me know. Just let me know, bro. Because I remember your last name from school, my dog. And when I seen it, because I knew you, we was talking about it in the DM, bro. And you was telling me you was going to tap in. Run it up, Dre. Let me know, bro. And, like, you was telling me you was going to tap in a few months ago. But I think I just seen your name in my group, bro. And I'm like, damn, is that my nigga Dre, bro? Oh, yeah, that was my nigga. Yeah, for sure, bro. I knew I wasn't tripping. That was, because I'm like, bro, I remember my nigga name from school, gang. We used to have the same class. I swear to God, bro. I remember your last name from school, gang. I never forgot that shit, bro. So okay, cool. So tell the people right now, Dre. What's your experience so far, bro? Going through the course, you know, going through the community, going through the program, bro. Let everybody know since you got in, my dog. I appreciate you for joining too, bro. Real shit, man. I love when people I grew up with in class, like my nigga B, right? My boy B on here actually was in the same class as him, bro. You feel me? And he tapping in, he tapping in, bro, cause he see the way, gang. You feel me? He understand that, damn, bro. The power of this shit could really change my life, gang, if I utilize this shit in the right way, because he's seen it happen for me. You feel what I'm saying? So if you could let the people know real quick, Dre, bro, just how it's been for you real quick, bro, I appreciate that, dog. Crypto trading, the new wave, coming up off this XRP. When nobody believe in me, I believe in myself. Yeah, for sure, bro. Real shit, dog. Yeah, crypto, you feel me? Crypto, everything, man. Just invest, bro. Like, just keep this shit going, gang. You know? Everybody, yeah, you gotta believe in yourself, bro. You got to, bro. That's how I got here, bro. You feel me? That's what it's all about. I tell people that shit all the time. He said, hell yeah, gang. This shit read for sure. That's really showing a nigga step by step. I'm in this shit for real. Real one, bro. Appreciate it, my dog. Right? So, I got so many testimonials, bro. This shit is crazy. Like, I can go for days, bro. Like, my program is really good for beginners, bro. My program, for any level, bro, because, you know, for one, I don't gatekeep, right? So, anybody in here in my community, they you know, they get the opportunity to see me call out the play, see it work, but then they not questioning or guessing like, bro, okay, how the fuck did you find that? So what I do in my community, where I actually give you the information, the same information that you see me go and make the money with. You feel what I'm saying? And then guess what, y'all? Another thing, how my community is different, is I actually tap in with my members. So nobody in my community is lost. Everybody has a role to play. Everybody knows exactly what they should be doing. Exactly how they need to be getting to this shit. Why? Because they can directly hit me up, and we have live meetings 2 times a fucking week. And you get half off on any one-on-ones. So nobody is fucking lost, gang. I'm damn near guarantee you success with this shit, bro. Now, depending on how long it take you, or depending on, you know, if it actually happens for you, that's all on you. You feel what I'm saying? That's if you apply yourself. So my community is based off, it's not based off if you is going to get your return on investment. You're going to get your return on investment. Why? Because this shit is only $50 for thousands of dollars to millions of dollars in the future's worth of game. So y'all see the type of money I make? Are you serious that I can't make you $50 back, gang? So it's not the question of is you gonna get your return on investment. The question is I always tell people, is you gonna apply yourself, my nigga? You feel me? My program isn't the problem. I'm not the problem, bro. Is you gonna actually sit down and take in the information provided that I'm giving you, bro? That's gonna determine your success with this shit. Why do y'all think I didn't make my program $1,000? Because I wanted to see. I didn't want the money to be a person's excuse for not getting into this shit. What I wanted to do, y'all, was make the price really affordable, and I wanted to see if you was gonna apply yourself. It's psychology. So now you can't blame nobody else for not learning and knowing this shit, because it didn't cost you $1,000 out of pocket, nigga. Think about it, gang. So now it's on you, bro. You're the problem. That's real shit. Oh, bro. So I specifically did that, gang. And the results show. The results show in my program, bro. That's why I got so many good testimonials. He said, I'm new in here. You invest in XRP? I mean, I did, bro. I put $2,000 in at one point, bro. And then I just took it out and I put that shit into some stocks again. I was like, bro, I don't know, bro. I got a problem with, like, I'm just so fucking good at stocks, bro. And I just know this shit so much in and out that it's like, it's hard for me to put my money in a different investment that, like, I don't have. Bro, I got 99% of knowledge. Think about it like this, y'all. If you got 90% of knowledge in the stock market, right? Why the fuck would you take that same amount of money that you know 90%? Anything you put your money in this realm right here, 90% of that shit is going to hit. But you take your money to somewhere else where you only got 10% knowledge and only 10% of what you put your money in over here is going to hit. So that's my problem. And I know it's like, you know, you want to diversify your assets. You want to do certain things. But it's like right now, bro, I'm young, bro. I don't need to. Why the fuck do I need stocks, real estate, a business, rental cars, goddamn, all this? Come on, bro. I'm not like, it's just too much, bro. You know what I'm saying? So like, I just stay focused, bro. Like, I'm gonna get there, bro. Like, I'm gonna get there, bro. I'm gonna have the real estate. I'm gonna have all that shit, gang. But for right now, bro, I just focus on business and my stocks, bro. I'm not trying to put my money in a fucking real estate, and I don't know it like I know stocks, or I don't, you know, crypto, and I don't know it like I know stocks, bro. I know for 90%, I put my money in this damn stock, I'm gonna get a return on the shit. I just got a 30. Y'all see on my, go look at my story, bro. I can't make this shit up. I just got a 30% investment in like the last 2 fucking days. This shit is like, I can't go in real estate right now and get 30% of my money in 2 days. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I know, hey, I can put my money into this. Boom, 30% in 2 days. You feel what I'm saying? So I understand that diversification is important, bro, but it's just, you know, it's all about timing, man. I don't stress myself too much about the shit. As a day trader, all I've been on is indexes. Now I'm in the program trying to see about stocks. Yeah, for sure, bro. And you gonna like the way I trade, bro, because, you know, we do it different, man. We not primarily day trading. If we catch some day trades, we catch them, but the way we trade, bro, you know, it's just patience driven. It's the most best, like, way for you to grow your account, bro. It's really simple, bro. Like, I literally put the play in, put my phone in my pocket, bro, and just chill, and literally let the stock just do what the fuck it's supposed to do. You feel what I'm saying? Like, hey, we got live meeting on Sunday. STR World Finest, bro. Make sure you join the live meeting on Sunday, bro, so we can chop it up, my dog. All right, so we can talk about some stuff, bro. Yeah, I'm a swing trader, league trader, and long-term investor. That's my bread and butter, man. That shit right there is my bread and butter. You know, the only thing is, you know, just scaling up. You know, it take a lot more, you know, strategic scaling up. It take a little bit more capital, but, you know, it's just so efficient, man. It's so efficient, bro. Like, I don't realize big ass losses, bro. Like, I don't have tight ass stop losses that's stopping me constantly on my trades. I don't like. It's just so fluent, man. And it's easy for people to understand. It's easier for a motherfucker to understand, hey, just press the button, put the play in, and put your phone up. Versus, hey, put the play in, you gotta watch the screen, and then you gotta understand when the fuck to get out. So you gotta sit at this table and watch the screen for an hour, 30 minutes, whatever the case. And then, you feel what I'm saying? With me, nigga, I'm literally telling you, hey, put the play in, put your phone back in your pocket, set the alert, don't look at it. Boom, we up some money. Go ahead and take your profit. You want to take your profit. If you want to hold, you can hold. You feel me? Is the meetings, is the group meetings or a one-on-one? They groups, bro. So what I do is, bro, everybody in my community, right, whoever, joining at the time, right, we all tap in at one time, right? And we literally, as a community, as a whole, we go through everything we need to go through. So we doing Q&A. So this is so look, right? A question that you might have, somebody that might be able to help somebody else, right? So a lot of times where people ask me questions in the group and I answer them, and then other people say, damn, bro, that was a good ass question. Even that helped me out. You feel me? So we all feeding off each other's knowledge, bro. Do that make sense? So, you will be able to hear me talking to somebody else. So it's literally it's a room. It's like a live room where I talk to you through the phone, bro. You will see, bro. When we hop on live, when you get on there on Sunday, you just turn your mic on and we literally gonna talk, bro, like on the phone, bro. You will see. You see what I'm talking about, bro. And then guess what, too, right? If you ever miss a live meeting, bro, you get the recordings too as well. So it's never no shit where it's like, oh, you gotta make it. You feel me? Don't get me wrong, yeah, I want y'all to make them, but you always got the live recordings too as well if you do miss a day. And then guess what too, as well, this is another thing I do. I also give you the option to, if you say, damn, Chris, I can't really make it on them Sunday nights and the Wednesday nights, can you possibly switch a day around, just one day out the week, next week? Maybe instead of you doing one of the live meetings on a Wednesday next week, can you do it on a Tuesday? And then I'll be able to make it and ask you a question. On the phone, then I'll do that. So I'm very flexible, bro, in my group. I don't want nobody stuck, bro. I don't want nobody, cause that's the problem, bro, that I ran into when I was learning, bro. I got to a point where it's like, damn, y'all niggas gave me all this certain fucking information. I can't even talk to nobody. How the fuck you give me a course, but the nigga who made the course, I can't goddamn go ask you questions, gang. I'm not gonna get all this shit fully. Or you want me to pay for something else separate? With me, nigga, my course is in the actual program. I'm not selling you a course and then selling you my community. Everything is all in one. But y'all go tap in with these other people. This is what they're going to do, y'all. They're going to give you the community separate from the course separate from the fucking one-on-ones, right? Then they're going to have another thing where they're selling you a mentorship within the community. So the community isn't even a mentorship. Within my program, the community is the mentorship. You feel me? So, bro, that's all I did was be the change that I wanted to see, bro. Think about it. When I first started learning this shit, I'm like, damn, bro, why the fuck do I gotta scatter so many different fucking places to learn this shit? And y'all charging me high-ass prices. Don't get me wrong, did I pay him? Yeah, because I wanted to learn. I ain't give a fuck. I had to invest in myself to learn this shit. You feel me? But I didn't want people to have to go through that shit, bro. I wanted everything to be all in one full fucking place for you, bro. And I'm not burning your pockets every month. You feel me? That's definitely what my other mentor do. Exactly, bro. Exactly, bro. He said it's 3 bands to talk to that nigga. But he runs a... Bro, that's what I'm saying. So niggas will have a community separate from the course, separate from the mentor, the actual one-on-one mentorship, separate from the... You feel me?
Tell me more about that.
You're not going to find nothing where that shit is just fully all in one, bro. Mano Chrome. So this is what I learned in life, y'all. Let's talk some life shit then, man.
I think
All I did was be the change I wanted to see, bro. So if y'all notice a void in your community, if you notice some shit that is like, man, this shit need to change, or you know, this shouldn't be this way. What I learned, bro, is try your best to do it. You feel me? So guess what? If nobody in my community want to be proud of working a fucking job or getting a good career, saving their money, learning financial literacy, learning trading, learning investing, starting a business, and nobody want to make that shit cool in my community, and I don't got nobody to look up to that I can see physically every day doing this shit that I wanted to see a change for, all I did, bro, was do it myself, bro. You feel me? So I was the outlier, gang. Nigga, I made working a job cool, bro. I made it cool, nigga, to say, nigga, I'm up in 20 racks on a gram from my job. Not from scamming, not from robbing, not from stealing, not from selling drugs, nigga. Not from backdooring my homie, not from finessing niggas. I got my 20 racks right here from my job, gang. You feel me? Nigga, I got my $1,000 from here, from my phone, from my trade, from my investment. Not from a fucking job. Certain shit, gang, that I was putting and shedding light on too, bro, to make it cool. You know, and I'm not saying I'm the only person that did that, but what I'm saying is, bro, where I'm from, damn near I am. You know? Go on my page, man. Scroll down on my page, bro. Y'all see me up in racks, bro. I don't do this shit no more just because I've been grown, but come on, bro. 40 racks in blues. Nigga, 30,000 in dubs. Just scroll on my page. Go look at my highlights, bro. 25 racks in dubs, bro. Like, really up in that shit, gang. All from what, y'all? Investing, trading, working a fucking job. None of that. Any money I ever shown was never illegal money, bro. Or was never none of that shit, bro. And I made it be known. You feel me? So be the change you want to see, bro. If you a cop, bro, if you somebody where it's like, bro, you tired of police brutality, and you tired of goddamn, you know, police doing motherfuckers wrong and shit, bro, you grow up, bro, and you be the best cop you can be, bro. You feel me? You be the best fucking cop you can be, bro. Treat everybody with respect. You feel what I'm saying? You know, and serve your community the best fucking way that you can, bro. To the best of your fucking ability. You be the change you want to see. That's what I learned, bro. Respect. Trading got me out the street. Nah, real shit, bro. Real shit, man. So I know this shit be a lot of heartfelt shit sometimes, y'all, but I just, man, this type of shit, bro, I was just growing my platform to be able to speak on, bro, because, you know, I could possibly potentially save somebody's life. I could possibly potentially spark somebody's brain. You feel me? To do the right thing or change their mindset. I could possibly, you know, just help somebody, you know, with my words, bro. So I don't mean to, you know, come on here. Yeah, I want to make y'all laugh. You feel me? I make y'all laugh and shit. But I'm really giving y'all a message, man. You feel me? I just sometimes say this shit in a funny ass way. But I really want y'all to understand the message that I'm putting niggas on game about, bro. Only one B, what up, bro? I see you be tapping in with me. I fuck with you, my dog. You feel me?
Or if you're going to go to nursing school, or if you're going to go to med school, like whatever it is you want to do, like Dave said, decide who you want to be, and then reverse engineer that.
He said, what difference between your two classes? Well, bro, I only have one, bro. So, and if you see in my bio, there's going to be 2 links. There's going to be one. What I did was, right, I gave y'all the option to be able to buy the course itself without you, and you not being in my community mentorship program. But so you could just take my knowledge from the course and then go about it with yourself. But if you see what I did, y'all, I did something real smart. I made the course itself a higher price than the actual community. So I made the course itself by itself $70, But I made my community mentorship program only $50. Why? Because I really want you to understand and learn this shit. I don't want to just sell you something and have you go about it yourself. Because you're not going to take full accountability for the shit. And then you still going to have questions after you take this shit. Right? So I wanted you to be able to take the course and then still be able to see me trade in real time. Get on the live meetings with me. Certain things, right? Get the full benefit of the mentorship. That way you're not by yourself still trying to figure this shit out. So it's psychology. That's why niggas say, why did you make the course more? Shouldn't it have been less? No, because I'm forcing you to really learn this shit. So it's gonna cost me. This is my point, y'all. It's gonna cost you more to learn this game by yourself than with a actual person who's already doing this shit. That's the point I'm trying to get y'all to understand. So people's trying to learn this trading and investing shit by themselves from fucking YouTube and shit like that and not tapping in with somebody who's already doing this shit and already got the blueprint. You're costing yourself more time and money, bro. That's why I made it cheaper. Because you're going to lose money. You're going to lose time doing this, trying to figure all this shit out by yourself. So I want you to take advantage of the help, the experience that I provide, the guidance I provide. Right? Think about it. All this shit, y'all, it costs you more. Why would you, this is my point that I be trying to put niggas on game about, bro. And this is the analogy that I said on my, God is Creation. What's up? I see you be tapping in with me. My boy Darnell. What up, bro? This is the analogy I said, bro. If you know your jumper is ass, you know your jumper is shitty, bro. Every time you shoot, that bitch is hitting the top of the backboard. That motherfucker ain't even hitting the rim, gang. You that fucking shitty, bro. You feel me? But you know Curry, this nigga on your team, and Curry got a 99% rate of every time he shoot, that motherfucker is going in. You know he got the best jumper in the fucking world. You know your jumper is pure ass. Why the fuck don't you go over there and ask Curry how the fuck he got his jumper like that? Why don't you go ask him for guidance? Why don't you go ask him to show you how to get your jumper? You feel me? Why the fuck are you still over here shooting them bullshit shots? Think about it, y'all. Don't that fucking make sense? So if you know you unprofitable, nigga, if you know you don't know how to trade, if you know you don't know how to invest, or if you know you want to, and you started from scratch, why not seek fucking mentorship from somebody who's already doing this shit? It don't make sense, bro. You'd rather be hard-headed and literally try to fuck your money up and fuck your time up because you don't want to invest in yourself. This shit don't make sense. Them type of niggas be literally retarded, gang. Them the type of niggas that be like really like just hard-headed as fuck, bro. It's no fucking way. It's no way. It's no way I know my jumper is like this, bro. I'm hitting the top of the fucking backboard, gang. I'm airballing and shit. I can't even fucking make free throws. But it's a nigga right here on the side of me. He hitting that bit every single time. And I'm not finna go ask him, how are you doing that, bro? Instead, I'm just gonna, come on, bro. It don't make sense, gang. Do y'all get where I'm coming from? Like, all this shit is mental, man. My boy, Saray Farms, what up? Like, real shit, gang. Like, I don't be making this stuff up, bruh. Like, come on, man. This shit is crazy, bro. But to answer your question, bruh, that's the difference between the two, bruh. One of them you gotta do by yourself, which I don't recommend. That's why I made the community less, bro, so you can get fully in and actually learn this shit, bruh, and be damn near guaranteed to be profitable, bro. Like, man, bro.
And so, I don't know if it's you have to choose to
Man, bro, I just be trying to put shit into perspective, bro, cause like somebody might not really get certain shit unless you explain it like that. Like you gotta kind of really break it down really slow, bro, for somebody to really and get. Oh, I see what you mean, bro. Exactly, right? Like for example, right, with a job, when you get your new job, right, don't they gotta train you first? Obviously, they train you with somebody who's already experienced in your field. So if you think about it, a job is really telling you how to be successful and how to take the shortcut in life. Why? Because as soon as you get this new job, they're going to put you in that section with somebody who's been doing this shit for 10 years. That person that's been doing this shit for 10 years is going to train you on how to do this shit. So obviously, when you get into this field, don't try to learn this shit yourself. You need to get trained by somebody who's been doing this shit for 10 years. Bro, you can learn a lot of shit from a job, gang. This is another thing that I learned from a job, bro. That shit teaches you structure. That shit honestly teaches you discipline. Every fucking morning, gang, you do not want to go up. You do not want to go to this job, bro. You fucking hate this job, gang. But for some reason, you get up on time and you there on time every fucking morning. Knowing you hate this fucking job. That's the same thing with discipline. All discipline is doing shit that you don't want to do, but knowing you got to do it and doing the shit, getting it done. You feel me? No matter what. No matter if you sad, happy, or sick, you're going to get the job done. So, just like your fucking job, no matter whether you sad, happy, or sick, you still go in that motherfucker. Every single day, gang. So, that's how I looked at this shit. I said, damn, bro. This job shit really teaching a motherfucking structure. Think about it. Niggas don't really peep that shit, bro. I peeped the gang. I was like, damn, bro. So notice how the motherfuckers who work a job really good, when they actually switch their mindset to where they want to be an entrepreneur, why do you think they really get ass entrepreneurs? Because this nigga know discipline. He know he gotta sit down and get this shit done no matter what. He's used to fucking waking up on time every day at 6 a.m. The nigga done got the structure already, bro. Bro. Another thing, this is what I figured out. Damn, I'm on a roll right now. Watch this, y'all. I appreciate everybody tapping in. Watch this. School, all school is teaching you how to learn. Don't get me wrong. The shit that they actually teaching you is bullshit. For them 12 years straight, they teaching you nothing but bullshit. But they're actually teaching you how to go from not knowing something, not knowing a whole subject. You didn't know shit about pi equals x squared, none of that shit. But somehow you studied and you figured this shit out and now you aced the test. So they just taught you how to study. They just taught you how to learn. They taught you how to take notes. They taught you how to go from not knowing a subject to knowing the shit and passing a fat ass 100 document test on the shit. So if you just take that same mentality and apply that shit to stocks, you would fucking be successful with this shit. You can do it, bro. Because you done went through school already. Nigga, you didn't know 2 + 2 was 2 + 2, gang. You had this fucking, your teacher had to sit you down and go through the shit with you. Over and over and over a fucking again until you automatically knew that shit was 4. Right? They gave you homework. They gave you quizzes. They prepared you to take that big ass test. And then you ace that bitch. So it's the same shit with stocks, y'all. If you pass the fucking 12th grade, you can learn stocks, gang. If you pass the motherfucking 5th grade, you can learn stocks. Because all it is repetitive shit over and over and over and over again. It just gotta be the right fucking information. Think about it. Because they done taught you how to learn, bro.
And y'all are gonna have 1,000 of these kind of issues pop up. No matter
You know how to learn, gang.
you're gonna have 1,000.
You can go from not knowing a subject to knowing that shit. So, this is a subject I want to speak on. Motherfuckers always like to use the excuse of, oh, I don't know about that, to stop them from actually start learning this shit. But you don't think back when, nigga, you ain't know how to ride a bike? You ain't never thought about all the shit you ain't never used to know how to do, but somehow you know how to do that shit? So why the fuck when it come to stocks, your excuses, I don't know about that, bro.
People are treated like garbage. And
Oh, that shit look too hard, bro. Them a lot of numbers and shit, bro.
I love this about you, and you are making it to where we can't go out to eat much anymore because you overtip so much. And she was
So is that a real excuse, or is that niggas just,
so there's all this to it.
you feel me?
To do with the issue of tipping
Think about it. I want y'all to really sit back and think about that, bro.
values that we had. And
All the shit you know right now today, you didn't know everything, gang. You didn't know every single part, bro. When you first had your first iPhone, nigga, you didn't know how to work that bitch. You spent every day on your iPhone figuring out that shit, and now, a few days later, you know everything about this fucking iPhone. But you didn't let the thought of, oh, I don't know about this new phone, so I'm not gonna get it. You ain't let that stop you from going from an Android to an iPhone. So why do niggas let the thought of, oh, I don't know this thing, stop them from learning the shit?
you hate children, or so-and-so special needs, why do you hate that?
Definitely got a point, especially when we taught ourselves over time. Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. So I'm like, damn, bro. You don't remember when you ain't know how to do a backflip, my nigga? You don't remember when you ain't know how to ride a bike? You needed training wheels on that motherfucker? Nigga, do you remember when you didn't know how to play Call of Duty? You wasn't always this good, gang. You was not always this good at Warzone, my nigga. You was getting cooked every fucking time, bro. You was not this good at Fortnite, nigga, building and shit and climbing up walls and shit. You spent multiple hours on that shit, learning that shit, and now you're good at it. So, nigga, just do the same thing with stocks.
Nobody has just one soft spot.
Just apply that same shit with stocks, bro. Bro, I can't make this shit up, y'all. I swear to God, bro. Hell yeah.
Buying or selling your home is a really big deal with all the clickbait headlines.
Hell yeah, bro. Like, I swear to God, bro. Like, I want, every time y'all come on live, bro, I want y'all to laugh and learn, bro. You trade futures or stock options? Options, bro. Y'all know what's so funny, man? And I ain't talking about you, my boy, but I just gotta hop on niggas' ass, bro, cause, bro, niggas always ask me, do I trade something else besides stocks? When in my bio, nigga, when you go to my page, gang, it says stock market. I literally got a fat ass hashtags that say stock market in my bio, bruh. Niggas still asking me, do I trade Forex, gang? It's like, bro, do niggas not pay attention, bro? What the fuck? Where do y'all be getting that shit from, gang? Niggas be like, do you trade meme coins? No, bruh. It literally say stock market right there, gang. I just had to hop on your ass, my boy. I fuck with you, though, bro. He said, never seen bio, man. Oh, yeah, for sure. Nah, I'm talking shit, bro. I fuck with you, bro, but... Nah, that shit be funny, though, man. When niggas be asking me, bro, you trade commodities? Like, no, nigga. My boy, Jazelle, what up, bro? What up, my boy? That's another person that I grew up with, bro, that I knew in them ghettos, bro. My nigga Jazelle, boy. I remember you, gang. You feel me? Bro, let me tell y'all something, bro. Nigga, it was all, I don't know, bro, still in this live, bro. But it was all of us, bro. We was young as hell, gang. Like, you know how it be when you kids, man, but you in a certain environment, bro. And you don't really know certain things. All you know is what you know. You feel me? Or all you know is what you see, bro. So, you know, we growing up in this certain rough area, bro. And it's just like, we not seeing no positivity, gang. We don't got our fathers around, bro. We in this fucked up area, right? And all we introduced to is mainly bullshit. You feel me? And then the people who is trying to really put us on some real game, we not really paying attention and listening to them because they don't got stuff that we want to see as kids. You feel me? So I remember, you know, just doing a lot of certain things, bro. I'm talking about young age, bro, like real young age, bro. Us running the streets and shit, bro. And you know, unfortunately, man, you know, I got some friends, bro, that I grew up with, bro, who, man, they got long jail sentences, bro. Like long jail sentences, bro. A lot of friends that passed away. A lot of friends that just fucked up situations. You feel me? A lot of friends that then, you know, did time and now they coming home and now they trying to figure this shit out. You know what I'm saying? And I just, bro, I feel for the young men who, you know, was in our situation when we grew up as kids, bro. You feel me? My boy Jazzy, he was in them trenches with me, bro. You feel me? So he know what I'm talking about, bro. And he feel my pain, gang. And I'm sure a lot of people can understand and feel where I'm coming from, bro. But it's just like, bro, that's why I be on what I be on. You feel me? This is why I inspire niggas, because even though niggas know I don't got $1 million yet, bro, that shit don't mean nothing, gang. Niggas see my heart, bro. Niggas see my mindset change and shift, bro. Because they understand and seen where I was coming from, where I was at, bro. So it don't take no money for them niggas to believe in me, gang. You feel what I'm saying? It don't take no crazy amount of, you feel what I'm saying? Nigga, all it takes for them to see a nigga doing some shit that's working, that changed his life, gang. That's a different route of life that we didn't see when we was kids. To spark this nigga brain and say, oh, damn, bro, I could do this shit. Even if a motherfucker don't go my route and go the Stocks way or whatever, the fact that, bro, no, there's another way of life, bro. That shit mean a lot to me, gang. And that's why I'm on the mission that I'm on, bro. I swear, bro. That's why I spread so much awareness of this shit, man. Niggas be trying to text me just to learn. He said, you do one-on-ones, training without trying to get, he said 1,000. Yeah, for sure, bro. Without trying to get a, yeah, bro. I don't sell nothing for $1,000, bro. Hell yeah, bro. I don't. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I do one-on-ones, bro. DM me, my dog. We can talk. My one-on-ones is pennies on a dollar, bro. Anybody can tap in with me to learn this shit, bro. Black men think you gotta play with the pack in the street to come up. That's why we salute you on and off for sure, bro. And then, like, bro, and we can't blame them, though, bro. Here's what I say, my dog. Like, can we blame them? Can we blame the young niggas in the trenches right now, bro? You feel me? He said, wait, hold on. Before I talk on that side, he said, oh, my mama, bro, you done turned up stupid crazy. I don't do shit but salute nigga on my mama. Bro. Exactly, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, this shit real, gang. Come on, bro. I remember riding the hot cars and everything with my nigga, bro, his kids, gang. I remember all that shit, bro. I'll never forget nothing, bro. Sleeping at that nigga house, gang. All type of shit, bro. This is real life testimonial, bro. You feel me? So, nah, bro, I appreciate you too, my nigga, and I salute you too, my nigga, for sure, bro. Real shit. But here's what I'll say, bro. Can you blame the young niggas from thinking that certain way, that they gotta do that type of shit, bro? You know, we really can't, bro, when it's all this shit that's, you know, that's put into our face, bro, in our community. And then we hear it in the rap music. Fuck a job, nigga, get it, right? So, young niggas who can't really think for themselves, think on their own, the shit that they should be doing, they looking at it like it's lame as hell. You feel me? Think about it, y'all. Notice how in our community, everything that we should be doing as young niggas, we look at it lame as hell because it's shunned upon. So we looking at, nigga, if you only got one girlfriend, nigga, you don't get no pussy. This nigga only got one girl, he ain't got no hoes. This nigga ain't got multiple females texting his phone, he ain't fucking multiple hoes. You feel me? We looking at having one girl lame as fuck. Because niggas done made it cool to have 10 different bitches at one time, gang. Fucking hoes. Getting chlamydia, getting STIs, STDs, getting burnt, all type of shit, gang. But we look at a nigga who dealing with this one female, lame as hell. What's another thing, y'all? Working a fucking job, gang. Oh, this nigga work a job. Oh, this nigga. You feel me? Not knowing that, nigga, that's consistent money, gang. This nigga got consistent legal money coming in every single fucking month. And you talking about this nigga, bro. That don't even fucking make sense, gang. Having a fucking car. Why the fuck do a nigga need a fucking, why do everybody need a fucking crazy extravagant ass car, gang? Every nigga car is not gonna cost $100,000, bro. Because this nigga got a Chevy that get him from point A to Z. Oh, this nigga. Come on, gang. At least the nigga got a car, gang. At least he's not fucking catching the bus. So we make everything that should be, we make all that shit lame as hell, bro. Like, at least this nigga got a car. He not fucked up, gang. He got a car, nigga. How the fuck is you speaking down on that man because it's not a fucking Corvette? That don't even make sense, gang. Niggas getting in the monstrous debt. Like, real shit, bro. You would talk about a nigga because he got on, this nigga shop at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and this nigga trying to save his money. You talk about that nigga for not going to Louis V and spending $3,000 on a fit? So either I'm tripping or hold on. Let's break this shit down. You would say this nigga fit, weak as hell. You would say this nigga ain't really got shit on for real. He kept a portion of his money saved. A big portion of his money saved, put up. And he said, fuck it, I'm gonna just go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, goddamn Ross, and just give me some decent ass clothes and say, fuck it, right? But he got some money saved. But he lame as hell. But for this nigga to be called cool, for this nigga to have that shit on, for this nigga to be certain things, you would have rather bro took 3 racks, go to Louis V, bought on the fit, my nigga. And that's cool. This nigga not having no money put up, folk. So we make the shit that's supposed to be, we make it seem lame as fuck. As a society, as a community, as a people, bro. That's why, guess what I did, y'all? I got my get back on niggas. Yeah, I got my get back. Yeah, I talk my shit now. Yeah, so what do I do now, y'all? I make fun of these dumbass niggas. Dumbass nigga, I got 10K in the stock. Nigga, you got that shit on the fit. Stupid. Nigga, my 10K produce money for me, dumbass. Yeah, I spent 3 racks, but hey, I got 3 racks in this stock, dumbass. Hey, yeah, nigga, I can pull up my phone and make money from it. Nigga, you can't pull up your phone and make no money from it, my nigga. So now I trick niggas, folk. Now I got niggas in the chokehold, gang. You feel me? Think about it. I didn't reverse psychology on these niggas. Nigga, I got a 20K portfolio working for me. Nigga, you got a $20,000 fit on, dumbass. A $20,000 Rolex on for no fucking reason that don't produce no cash flow asset. Like, you got a fucking buzz down Rollie, which probably fake as hell, but even if it was real, this shit still don't generate you any cash flow, gang. My fucking 30K portfolio generates cash flow, dumbass. So I wish a nigga would ever talk about any fit I got on. Cause I swear to nigga, I will show you three fucking bro. Oh my God, gang. Bro, I'll show you some shit invested, gang. I swear to God, bro. So nigga, I can walk out the house comfortably with a normal, not even a week, just a normal ass fit, gang. I wish a nigga would call me lame. Or I don't got that shit on. Cause my fit ain't 5,000. But nigga, I done spent 5K today to make 500 from my phone. You feel me? Come on, bro. Real shit, gang. So that's how I got my get back on these niggas. So everything that they make seem lame, that's supposed to be really, the cool thing to do, I made the cool thing to do that these niggas think is cool lame as fuck. Nigga, yo dumb. I'm laughing at you. Nigga, you dumb as fuck. Nigga, you just spent 5K on the fit.
So you started this journey then.
And don't even got 5K worth of stocks, dumbass.
You bought a house out of college, okay?
You feel me? Y'all get where I'm coming from, bro? And I'm just real passionate about that shit, bro. So I'm cussing a lot, but it just mean a lot to me. You feel me? It really just, this shit mean a lot to me, gang. Like, I swear to God, bro. Like, it's a beautiful thing, bro. Yeah, my nigga. Like, you talking about this, and this. Yeah, nigga, you got $100,000 car, but nigga, I got
What's the house worth?
$100K in stock, gang. I got real estate. I got property. I got a business, dumbass. You know, bro, niggas that have a $10,000 fit on and don't even have a fucking business. You don't even got a business, bro. Think about that. You don't have a business, no stocks, no real estate, nothing, bro. But you got a 10K, a hard ass 10K fit on. But the nigga who actually got a business, who got a decent ass fit on, the nigga fit not even weak. He got a decent ass fit on, but he has a business. He has stocks. He has investments. You calling this nigga lame as hell? You crazy as fuck, bro. We gotta start switching the psychology behind this shit, bro. That ain't it. So I'll be calling these niggas lame as fuck, bro. Come on, bro. You just spent 15K on the chain. You literally just spent 15 racks on a chain. But you don't even have half of that invested in no fucking stocks. You're a dumbass, bro. You're not cool, my guy. You feel me? I just seen a lady the other day with an old car, but crib was big as hell. I swear to God, bro. I swear, rich people move different, gang. On bruh. Like, this shit be crazy, bruh. Like, they be having the biggest fucking cribs, gang, but like, just a normal ass car. I know people like that, bro. I see motherfuckers like that every day, bro. Can't sleep on TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Bro. Do y'all know them as public companies? Do y'all know that TJ Maxx owns Marshalls? Do you know that TJ Maxx owns Home Goods? That's the actual holding company. It's called TJX. Go look it up. That's his stock symbol. And guess where that stock is at? Nigga, all-time highs. That's a good-ass fucking company. Come on, bro. Ross. This shit niggas be talking about, Dress for Less, Ross. Nigga, that's an actual stock. Go look it up. Go look up the ticker symbol. That stock is at all-time highs. So we thinking about the wrong fucking shit, bro. This is why I use my platform to put people on game, man. I swear, bro. My nigga Monte, another one of my people, bro. Bro, bro, niggas in my community be bro. That's my dog, bro. I'm really proud of that nigga, gang. He literally, the nigga did everything you would want somebody to do when they first learn this shit, bro. The nigga, my nigga Monte, bro, he literally took the course, gang. The nigga really learned, right? Took notes. The nigga had a fat ass thing of notes, gang. Right? I seen his notes, bruh. He's really dedicated. But as he was learning, the nigga invested as well. So now he got his money working for him as he learning. Then he took his time with the options, right? He learning the options, paper trading, making small gains here and there on the live account, certain things. But he's building. He's watching me. He's watching how I move. Bro, the nigga is doing everything such at a right way, bro. The nigga, he's going to be really successful with this shit one day, bro. I swear to gosh, bro. It's impossible for him not. It's inevitable, bro. His success with this stock shit, bro, and his entrepreneurship in general, whatever goals he got in life, gang, because I see the dedication he got, bro. That nigga is going to make it, bro. You feel me? He already made it. You feel what I'm saying? The nigga is literally the first person in his family to buy stock, bro. The man is up 50% on his investment, gang. He the first person in his family to ever do some shit like that. So he's already a pioneer, bro. He done already changed his whole family trajectory, bro. This shit is so powerful, y'all. This shit is so beautiful. This shit is so, this shit is so pure, bro. Like, oh my God, man. Can you imagine being the first person in your family to learn to trade, bro? And your whole fucking family bloodline. The first one to buy stock, bro. The first one to start a business. And then all from you. Your whole fucking bloodline is set. Even after you fucking pass. The information and the shit that you took time out to learn and invest in yourself. All that shit is going to be passed down to them, bro. Your whole fucking bloodline is straight because of you, bro. Because you took the time out. And you took the sacrifice. You took the pain. And you figured this shit out and made a way for your people, bro, in your community, in the community that you grew up in, bro. That's what I did, my nigga. That's why I got so much passion in this shit, bro. That's why I love this stock shit so fucking much, bro. That's why I love what I do so much, gang. And that's why I'm going to continue to go hard every single fucking day, my nigga. Because I motivate niggas from where I came from, bro. And they know I don't have a fucking $1 million yet. But they can see the shit, bro. They see what I'm doing, my nigga. And they know I'm the first one, gang, from where we grew up at to ever buy a stock, my nigga. Nigga, I done seen niggas die for petty money, gang. I done seen niggas really go to jail for petty cheese, gang. Niggas risk their life, bro. I got friends, nigga, that really rob banks, gang. At super young age for no fucking reason, bro. What all these niggas could have did was sat down, and if they would have knew about stocks, bro, if they would have knew the power of this shit and took this shit serious, gang, they would have had just a little bit of delayed gratification. And by the time they was fucking my age, these niggas would have been set already. Instead, now you got 10 of life, my nigga. Now you finna get out at 30-something fucking years old. And now you gotta reset your whole fucking life, bro. Because this shit wasn't put in our community for us to fucking know. And if we did know about the shit, if we did hear about the shit, we're not taking it serious because we don't see nobody actually, we don't physically see them in the hood, in the ghetto, in our community, in our environment doing this shit. So we don't believe in it. We only see white niggas with suits doing this shit. You don't see a nigga my skin color doing this shit, gang. So even if we did see a nigga make $1 million off a trade, we don't believe in him, bro. We don't think we can do it. The reason why Sincere, bro, the reason why Manje is doing this shit now, because he seen me do it, gang. He told me that shit personally in the community. He said, nigga, the reason why I tapped in with you, the reason why I even thought I could do this shit is because I seen, nigga, you look just like me. You the same skin color as me. At the time, nigga, you had the same followers as me, bro. So I'm like, holy shit, what the fuck? I could do the same shit. And now this nigga is up 50 fucking % on his first fucking investment he ever made, gang. And he's gonna be set for life. Bro, I'm sorry, y'all. I just got real heart for this shit, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Like, I can't control this shit, gang, because I really got real passionate in real life. Like, this shit mean a lot to me, bro. You feel me? Like, I'm really like, I'm really heartfelt about this shit, bro. This shit in my soul, gang. You know what I told myself, bro? I said, nigga, if my success in life don't come from stocks, then I don't even fucking want it, bro. Or if stocks ain't a major part in my success in life, I don't want this shit. I don't want success, my nigga. I don't, bro. Bro. I swear to God, bro. I will go flat broke off stocks, nigga. If I ain't never figured this shit out. Nigga, pockets like this, gang. Fucked up. If God sat me down today and said, I'm going to give you success, but stocks ain't even going to have a part in it, but I'm going to give you success, I will tell him, like, God, I appreciate the opportunity, but I'm going to have to pass. That's how much I love this shit. You feel me? Not saying that even stocks got to be the full main part, but if stocks ain't a part at all, I don't want success, gang. That's what drove me so much to be successful at this shit, bro. I didn't have a choice, bro. Because let me tell you all this, bro. Why is it stocks, Chris? Why is it that, bro? Because at a point in my life, bro, when this shit found me, gang, before that, nigga, I had quit everything that I tried, bro. Nigga, I used to hoop. And if you scroll down all the way on my page, scroll all the way fucking down, it's this picture of me with a basketball, gang. But nigga, I was on my high school team, all that, bro. JV, varsity, all that shit. This shit didn't work out for whatever reason, gang. But I just didn't have enough drive for this shit. Honestly, bro, if I could have, I could have kept going with the shit. But I let other excuses, outside excuses, stop me from continuing doing the shit. I used to rap, nigga. I can really rap. If you scroll on my fucking page, I never took this shit down, gang. I got music videos and everything, bro. I'm rapping in the car, all type of shit. I used to want to rap, gang. But for some reason, I let outside excuses stop me from fully going through with the shit. Whether it was money, anything. I let any fucking excuse stop me from going fully through with the shit. So before I found stocks, gang, I noticed when I was 18 years old that I was quitting everything I had ever had passion for. So when I found stocks, I told myself, y'all, I said, nigga, I would rather die before I get this shit up. Because if I get stocks up, then that means at that point, bro, I'm just a fucking quitter. Everything I start, I don't finish. I never get it fully done. I face a little bit of adversity and then I quit the shit. And I make up any excuse. So I told myself, bro, I'm not going to let the money stop me from being successful or learning stocks. I'm not going to let the fact that, nigga, I got to actually sit down and learn this shit and get a mentorship, whatever I got to do. And I don't care how long it got to take. I'm going to learn stocks, bro. That's how I felt, gang. That's why I got so much passion in this shit. That's why this shit plays so much a part in my life, my nigga. So yeah, I make it seem, I get on here and I make this shit seem cool and all this shit, bro. But it's real life, like soul ties to this shit, bro. Real life, bro. How you think I got here? Nigga, I was delusional, gang. Before I ever made money trading, I had the same passion for it as I do now, making money with this shit. Think about that. Nigga, when I had a blown account, a 10K blown a fucking account, I still had love for this shit, bro. Think about that. So before I even made money with this shit, even before I made any real money with trading, bro, with stocks in general, I had the same The same passion I got for it now, I had the same passion back then, bro. The same love for it back then, bro.
There's a normal correlation with that.
So I'm here to tell everybody on this live, bro.
It's not unusual for people to eat their way out of it.
It don't even gotta be stocks, my nigga.
Or pay every donut in a 50-mile radius.
As long as you got that same drive and that same passion that I had when it came to stocks, you gonna be successful with that shit, bro. But you gotta have that same drive and that same passion, my nigga. You gotta be willing to go flat ass fucking broke for it.
Great, wonderful faith
You gotta be willing to gotta lay your life on the line for that shit.
that involves your spiritual health and
You gotta be willing to say, I don't give a fuck if this shit take me till I'm 90 years old to figure this shit out. I'm gonna figure it out. You gotta be willing to say, nigga, I'm willing to cut everything off that's detrimental to me learning this shit. Because if you don't find something for you to live for and strive for each and every single fucking day, then what are you here for, bro?
let's see how many days in a row you can walk at least a mile, getting up at 5 a.m.
Ask yourself that. What are you really on earth for, my nigga? If you don't got that one thing that's driving you every single fucking day to get up and complete that shit, bro, with no matter what, no excuses, my nigga. You shooting at it. So I'll try my best to apply that shit to all my goals, bruh. And as long as I do that, I know for a fact I can't fail in life, gang. You feel me? Because even if I told myself, even if I don't figure this shit out, guess what, y'all? I can still pass on the knowledge or the experience or, you know, the education that I felt like I got to the next person, and maybe they'll figure it out. So even if I ain't figure this stock shit out, I was going to spark my little sister brain about the shit. I was going to spark another young nigga brain about the shit. And maybe he'll figure it out. But either way, this shit going to get figured out. You feel me? So, even if it's not stocks, bro. Even if it's not stocks. Whatever your passion is, bro. Whatever your true love is, bro. Whatever your main goal is, my nigga. You got to have that same heart for it, bro. You got to, gang. I almost cried on this bitch, bro. Real shit. I almost just cried on this motherfucker, bro. I ain't gonna fake to you. Because, you know, it's not what people think, bro. This shit really saved my life, bro. If only y'all knew, bro. If only people knew, bro. But that's why I was like, bro, that's what motivated me to get rich and successful, bro. Because it's like, I gotta tell my story, bro. I can't keep just sitting back watching other niggas' success stories when these niggas come from the same shit I come from. You feel me? Like, come on, gang. Nigga, I went through the same struggle as you, bruh. I should be able to tell my story too and get my story out to the world too as well. Fuck no. We went through the same shit. So that's why I'm like, man, hell no, I gotta get rich, bro. I gotta be successful. I gotta, you know, build me an audience, bro, and spread light to this shit. You know, I gotta overcome this shit, bro. You feel me? That's how I feel, man. But it's a Friday night, man. I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and enjoy y'all weekend, man. I appreciate everybody tapping on y'all on the live, bro. This is probably the best live yet, man. Honestly, bro. I had a lot of shit to get off my chest, man. I hope y'all learned. I hope y'all got inspired. I hope y'all gained some knowledge. You feel me? And I just believe in everybody, bro. And I just want to see everybody win, everybody ball, everybody shine, bro. And I want everybody just to invest their bag. That's why my name is this shit, bro. Invest your bag. You feel me? Invest your bag, bro. This shit is a way of life. You know? And even if y'all don't tap in with my program, gang, as long as y'all following me, y'all are supporters, bro. I fuck with y'all. I don't never force nobody to do nothing they don't want to do. You feel me? But y'all know, hey, if you want to learn this trading, this investing shit, you know who to tap in with, bro. Y'all seeing me do this shit every day, bro. And putting people on game. You feel me? I got a lot of testimonials, bro, and this shit is growing. So I appreciate y'all, man. We gonna continue the ball. And I fuck with y'all, man. One love, man.